Okay.
Ya voy.
Okay.
Ya, hasta ahí llega. Ya para.
Ok, sí lo recibe. Entonces, sí lo está recibiendo. Y sí, ya que se la cambie, si quiere que se la cambie, le cambio esta y luego también esta se la corro aquí a dura. Tiene que salir dura.
No está flexible.
Sí, puede ser flexible pero afuera. Entonces ya lo hacemos bien correcto y ya lo echamos a andar y le limpiamos. Vamos a checarle los amps. .47, 5.7. No es tanta la falla. Pero okay. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this valve out of here. Look at that capacitor hanging, furnace all rusted out. We're gonna get this bad boy out of here. We're gonna replace it. Yeah, so the homeowner was standing here next to me. He speaks Spanish, so I wasn't really able to talk about the diagnosis. But basically we're getting the 24 volts to the valve and it's not opening up, it's not throwing any gas, it's not spewing any gas, so bad valve, basically. All right. All right. We're gonna get this bad boy off. These things be a nightmare to get off sometimes. Damn, bro. These attics really built kind of weird. No staircase. I couldn't figure out how to turn this light on, so using our headlamp, pipe wrench. I had to edit this out, guys. I ain't even about to lie to y'all. Had a rough time getting this one out. It's finally loose. All right. Whew. Thing made me sweat for a minute, boy. Look at all these pipe wrenches here. That thing had me going crazy. gas flow is this way. Put some pipe dope on there. Bro, these damn gas valves will have you stretching. Whew. These things will have you stretching out a certain way. Gotta go one more turn. Man, that was a fun one. I couldn't record all that, guys. I couldn't let y'all see me like that. I'll tell y'all about it, but I couldn't let y'all see me all stretched out. Okay. Go ahead and put this back on. Okay. Let's wire in our low voltage. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead put a new hard pipe going out and a new sediment trap, just so our work can be up to code. Got this. And I didn't need this long of a nipple. We'll see. Here, I'll go back to the truck. I gotta go get my manometer anyways, so I'll take this nipple.
El esposo de mi hermana Pedro, o sea, no Julio, aquí anda diciendo. Yo tengo otra hermana que vive aquí, por el esposo de ella fue el que me recomendó.
Todos viven aquí cerca, ¿no?
Sí,
un poquito. Qué bueno. Okay, guys, man, this customer was on me, guys. It was already a weird spot in that attic. I had to work off the damn joists. You know, the 2x6s. It didn't have any plywood where I was at. I was already kind of struggling with that damn valve. He was just on me. He was literally a foot away from me. It's all good, but yeah, I got kind of annoyed about that one. So we are good. Gas valve changed out. Set the gas pressure. Made sure there were no CO present. So we're good, guys. Just gonna pack this up in my van, collect the payment, and we'll be out.